Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 12th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar Canadian, we did make a really nice bounce yesterday at the 78%. Definitely a nice engulfing move down. It did break structure, but only by a few pips, so that's a little concerning because I normally like to see a nice solid break of structure. But with the fact that the dollar trend is still down, we definitely want to look at this move up as possibly a pullback to this last move down, and we definitely want to see if we can get some sorts out of this. So going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement. We definitely want to pay attention to our key Fibonacci levels, which is like the 38 to 78%. If we get some sort of a corrective three-wave pullback to one of those levels, then a nice engulfing move to the downside, I definitely would look take it as a sort potentially for the continuation of this higher time frame downtrend. So as always, definitely pay attention to your structure and pay attention to your fib levels. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.